Hi guys, over time you may occasionally crash or flip your RC car, breaking your suspension arms. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace these arms on your RC car. On most RC cars, you're going to have 3 sets of arms. You're going to have a set of front lower arms, a set of front upper arms, and a set of rear arms as well. The car we're working on today is a Rally Monster by Exceed, but this procedure should be very similar on most RC cars. Okay, so we're going to start by removing the tire using your mini multi-purpose cross wrench, which should come with your toolkit. So you're going to go ahead and unscrew the wheel nut on your wheel. After you remove the nut, your tire should come right off like that. Okay, after you remove the tire, you're going to see that there's 2 screws recessed inside your hub carrier. You're going to go ahead and turn those out. And after you turn these out, then your hub carrier should detach from your suspension arms. Next, we need to unscrew the screw right here to remove the shock. So we have the shock out of the way. Okay, next we need to remove our front bumper. In order to do that on our Rally Monster, there are 2 screws going into nuts on the other side. You can go ahead and grab those with your mini multi-purpose cross wrench and then flip the car over. Okay, after you have your car flipped over, you can go ahead and take these screws out. Then the bottom of your bumper should be free. Okay, so when I say you need to remove the bumper, that means you really only have to free the bottom half. And that's so we can get access to the stabilizer bar underneath. And you're going to see that there's a silver E-clip on that bar. You can pop it off with a flathead screwdriver. And then your stabilizer bar should pull right out. After you have your stabilizer bar pulled out, your rear suspension arm should pull right off like that. And next we're going to repeat the process for the upper stabilizer bar. You need to remove this E-clip right here. And then the stabilizer bar is going to slide out from the front, like so. And then your upper suspension arm should come right out. So to reinstall your suspension arms, you're basically just going to follow the same process backwards. And that's pretty much how to change out your suspension arms on your RC car. So stay tuned guys for more instructional videos from Nitrorcx.